Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at something that... Alright, sometimes I see a gadget and I'm like, I bet that's cool. And sometimes it is and sometimes it's not. This particular gadget is the TEC tape keychain tape measure. And keep bag away from children. So what it is it's a titanium keychain tape measure. Now, I ordered it and then I started thinking about it. And I started thinking about what I use a small tape measure for. And the thing that I came up with was I use it primarily for playing tabletop miniatures games like Warhammer 40k and War Machine and that kind of thing. Back, when we interacted with people still. And so, place keychain clip in groove, then replace cover screw. Alright. So we have installation instructions. And apparently, we also have an Allen wrench. Alright, fair enough. So we got a little Allen wrench. So let's check out the tape measure. So, we got the little clippy thing, and the tape measure itself, and the keychain thing. Alright, so let's check this out. So step one is the actual tape measuring this part of it. Alright, so let's see. It's not super rigid. I mean, like, it's not one of those ones that stands out. And for my purposes with Warhammer 40k, I kind of want a pocket tape measure that remains a little bit more stiff than this, because you frequently want to measure something like 24 inches or a little bit longer than just like 6 or 8 or 10. That being said, though, I mean, like, if you need a quick tape measure for other things, and it doesn't matter if it's kind of floppy, then it's not too bad. And it's 3 feet, and it's snagged. It's snagged a magnet on my desk. All right. So let's see. Let's put on the keychain thing. Practical obsessions. Micro-sized marble, tape measure, grade 5 titanium housing, ultra compact size, imperial and metric units, removable keychain clip, 3-foot tape measure, replaceable, spring steel tape replaceable. That is one thing. If you need to replace the tape measure, you can do that. You just unscrew the thingy, the technical term being thingy there, and a sprocket could get stripped. Alright, so we remove the cover and pop on the clip. Alright, so let's give this thing a shot. So, I almost feel like I need my reading glasses for this, since I've recently gotten old and need reading glasses for things. Alright, so, wow, that came loose really easy. This is one of those things where you're going to see me on camera. There's going to be like a sproing noise, and you're going to hear the tape measure, or see the tape measure unspool, which is going to be super exciting for everyone. Trust me there. Probably less exciting for me than y'all, but still. Alright. So that's a relatively long little screw. Maybe I can just sort of slide it in there now. I don't have to unscrew it all the way. So, slide it in, and just kind of slide it down. Yeah, there we go. So you don't even have to unscrew it all the way. Well, that's kind of cool. So then I just screw this thing back on. So if you want to change the tape measure, I'm assuming you just keep unscrewing it, as I was going to do, but You don't have to unscrew it. It doesn't look like you have to unscrew it all the way to get the keychain thing on. That seems to work fine. And this moves around. So I'm guessing, I wonder if I can tighten it down a little more so it doesn't move. It says be careful not to strip the sprocket. So, okay. So that's one thing. The keychain will, this part's going to move, which is, okay, I guess. Doesn't seem like it's going to come off. There's a little bit of wiggle in there, which I'm not crazy about. Unless I put it on wrong. I don't think I did. Doesn't look like I put it on wrong. Anyway, it's kind of a neat little tape measure. I don't know exactly if it's worth the $40 price tag, but if you're looking for a fancy everyday carry tape measure, this might be, like, for your keychain. This is definitely one of those. So that's an option if you want it. And I don't know. What do y'all think? Are you pro or con keychain tape measure? I don't know where I land on them actually. I don't think this one's going to find its way to my keychain. But I can't say I'm really sad about getting it, because it's kind of a cool gadget. Although I do hate these little rings. Something's fierce. Alright, so let's see. Try. I'm just sucking at this, aren't I? Alright. Try one more time. That, I think, yeah, that did it. There we go. Perfect. It wasn't painful at all. Anyway, what do y'all think? You think tape measure is a good addition to your everyday carry? Or do you think it's just more keychain clutter that you don't really need? I'm on the side of keychain clutter, I think. But I don't know. It might be kind of neat. I mean, it's kind of a neat looking, it's a neat little toy. But it's kind of a pointless gadget more than anything else, I fear. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you think it's a good or a bad or a remarkably terrible idea. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can also let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you'll have an excellent day.